We're at the iMedical equipment and service location here in Virginia Beach. This is a 75,000 square foot facility that's going to handle and does handle all of the product calibration, all the medical equipment certification, medical equipment maintenance. All of our preventive maintenance programs are run from here that service over 100 surgery centers, doctor offices, endoscopy centers around the state of Virginia. And also medical equipment sales, all of our medical equipment production for all the facilities across the United States and around the world. So let's go inside and take a look at the iMedical equipment location here in Virginia Beach. Medical equipment classrooms and medical training centers. The classroom space and the training space, we're going to give everybody a walk through real quick. You can see there's plenty of room. We have room for more desks, more tables, but this is our Biomed training center right here. Each one of these workstations is set up so it has complete toolkits, everything needed to do a tear down, a rebuild, and to show people how to do equipment repair for patient monitors, EKGs, any type of medical equipment. The iMedical equipment medical offices. Service repair area. So what we do is we break it down by designations. One room's going to do infusion pumps. One room's going to do patient monitors. Everything's going to be Biomed certified with our own set of brand new cables. So when we go through and we recertify medical equipment, that medical equipment, those patient monitors all come with the brand new iMedical cables, cuffs, and all the accessories. This is our area right here, our area where we do all of our fixing up and all of our service for hospital bed stretchers and other different types of surgical equipment. Here, patient monitor trolley carts that have all been repainted, all ready to go out. Those will get outfitted. Surgical table, exam tables. Here we've got some international orders with stretchers that are getting ready to be shipped overseas. And when we go through everything, once again, it's going to be Biomed certified, patient ready. Surgical tables right here, some Steris Amsco 3085s and 3080s. More stretchers and more items here ready to go out. So as you come in, you're going to see that all this Biomed certified medical equipment is here and available. We have it on display. People, when they come, love to see medical equipment on display. As an example, if they're looking for patient monitors, they can see, hey, I like the Welch Allyn compared to what the GE might do or vice versa. If you're looking for surgical equipment, it's all available. You can test it, demo it. And we're the only company in the United States that has multiple medical equipment showrooms all over the United States for people to come in and look at medical equipment, exam tables, surgical tables, ENT chairs. It's all available here to come, pick out colors, look at selection, all these different options that are available for people that they can outfit their own urgent care, their own exam room, their own surgery center. We do a lot of work with hospitals, and we've got different things like the GE Omni beds, the bassinets, infant warmers, different types of stretchers that can be used for OBGYN or regular stretchers here. Fluoroscopy stretchers that are used for different types of C-arms. Here's an imaging area that we've got with mini C-arms, portable x-ray equipment, OEC 9800. We also do all different types of other x-ray and imaging equipment, including fixed x-rays, CTs. We're going to go into our imaging center here later, but this once again is the medical equipment showroom. Now we do a lot of patient monitors, and so now we're also introducing our own line of patient monitor equipment. So we've got all of our own patient monitor cuffs, cables, ECG, NIBP, ECG lead wires, SpO2 sensors, everything you need. So when we put out monitors, all of our monitors are outfitted with brand new cuffs, brand new cables, and it's all part of the iMedical brand. Showroom area. Here we've got the EKGs, including our MAC 5500. We've got the Atria, the Burdick 6100, the Eli 250s, 150s, 280s. We've got here our infusion pump area where we've got all different types of Alaris. We also have Baxter pumps, syringe pumps, kangaroo feeding pumps, all different types of suction pumps. And then here we've got a area with all of our ultrasound equipment. We always have ultrasound equipment coming in and out of stock. So if you're looking for portable x-ray or, once again, portable ultrasound equipment, we have console and portables. We sell a lot of hospital beds. We do a lot of stuff with sim labs, with nursing schools. Here you can see we've got our custom-made head wall units right up here that we sell a lot to nursing schools for sim lab training, in addition to, once again, infusion pumps, ventilators, the Puritan Bennett 840s, very, very popular. Full line of patient monitors, once again, outfitted with all brand new cables and cuffs. We have all different kinds from GE Philips, the Dash 5000s, the MP50s, MP70s, a lot of GE. The Dynamaps are extremely popular, the VS3s, and then all different types of defibrillators, including all the ones that you're going to get from LifePak, Zoll, Philips. We've got some of the newest models you can get. This is an area right here, which is our post-anesthesia care or emergency room area. We've got a Lynette Sprint 100 stretcher, which is a phenomenal stretcher. That's one of the items that we've got here in stock in this room, and we do carry a full line of stretchers and gurneys. Demo patient room, or excuse me, exam room. And once again, we've got it outfitted with a nice little exam room light. We do sell the defibrillator boxes, and we put all that. But iMedical Equipment and Service also does very large projects for surgery centers. So here you've got a complete surgery suite that we've got in our showroom here that's all on display. We sell a lot of endoscopy towers, ESUs, Valley Labs, ConMed, Irby, all different types of med cabinets, anesthesia carts. We carry a lot of anesthesia machines, a lot of machines from Draeger, including the Fabius GS, the GE Omeda Estiva 5s, all different, the Aspire 7900 surgical tables, including the Steris Amsco 3080s, 3085, Skytron 6500s, 3600Bs, slide top tables. Once again, we have the carbon fiber tops that we'll use for imaging, which we use with the C-arms and different types of procedures. And then we also carry a full line of surgical instruments, different types of sterilization. We also have the full-size sterilizers, the V116s, the V120s, fully refurbished, and then also everything Biomed certified and patient ready, warming cabinets and more. Here's all the hospital beds, stretchers in room number 1. All the Lynette beds, brand new. Wisner Wasserhoff. Oh, just in time to shoot the video. How you doing, man? Okay, so here we're going to go into our imaging area. I took you through the showroom store, and here's where we do all of our service and repair work on all the different x-ray equipment. This is going to be fixed x-ray. This is going to be portable x-ray, C-arms. We take out MRIs or we take out CTs. They're going to come in here, and then we're going to basically go through those, make sure that they're all ready to go back out, get them Biomed certified, get them patient ready, and then we can pack them and ship them overseas. Some of the C-arms, some of the medical equipment, once it is Biomed certified, we'll take some pictures, get it posted online, and offer it up to our clients.